Hello, welcome to my maths class. In our class today, we are going to solve this maths Olympiad question that says, try to solve for x if 7 raised to power x minus 7 raised to power x plus 8 equal to 8 raised to power x plus 7. But before we start, kindly like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This will help you get our subsequent daily video once they are uploaded. Remember, subscription is free and this will help you promote our channel. Thank you. Now let's solve this question. To solve this question, we are going to simply use a common law of logarithm that says if you have a raised to power m plus n, that will be equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. And this is the multiplication law of logarithm. Now, if we apply that here, we're going to have this equation to be equal to 7 raised to power x multiplied by 7 raised to power 8, and that will be equal to 8 raised to power x multiplied by 8 raised to power 7. So what are we going to do next? What we are simply going to do next is to divide both sides by 7 raised to power 8 and 8 raised to power x. So if we divide both sides by 7 raised to power 8 multiplied by 8 raised to power x, and this other side by 7 raised to power 8 multiplied by 8 raised to power x, we are going to have 8 raised to power x, clear out 8 raised to power x here, and 7 raised to power x here, clear 7 raised to power x here, and our solution will now be 7 raised to power x all over 8 raised to power x, and that will be equal to 8 raised to power 7 over 7 raised to power 8. Good. Now, having gotten to this part, all you simply need to do is to simplify further. So we're going to simplify further. To simplify further, we are going to simply bring out this, and this will be 7 over 8 raised to power x equal to 8 raised to power 7 over 7 raised to power 8. So we're going to take the logarithm of both sides. If we take the logarithm of the log of both sides, we are going to have a log of 7 over 8 raised to power x will be equal to log of 8 raised to power 7 over 7 raised to power 8. Now, if we simplify this further, remember a law of logarithm that says if we have a log of a base b, this can be equal to b log of what? A. You have a log of b base a, it can be equal to log of b log a. So if we simplify that, we are going to have x log of 7 over 8 equal to log of 8 raised to power 7 over 7 raised to power 8. So what do we do further? We'll divide both sides by log of 7. Divide both sides by log of 7 over 8. To divide both sides by log of 7 over 8, we have here to be divided by log of 7 over 8, and this will be divided by log of 7 over 8. And log of 7 over 8 will clear log of 7 over 8 over here. Then our x will be equal to log of 8 raised to power 7 over 7 raised to power 8 all over log of 7 over 8. Now, having gotten this, we are going to simplify our way further. If we simplify our way further, remember a law of logarithm that if log of x over y, we'll have log of x over y. That will be equal to log of x minus log of what? Y. If we apply that into this equation, we're going to have our x to be equal to log of 8 raised to power 7 minus log of 7 raised to power 8 all over log of 7 minus log of what? 8. So we're going to simplify this further. But this time around, to simplify this further, remember the law of logarithm we used initially. If you have log of b base a, this will be equal to b log of what? Log of a. If we simplify this further, we're going to have x equal to 7 log 8 minus 8 log 7 all over log of 7 minus log of what? 8. So if we have this, we are simply going to find the value of log of 7 and then the log of what? Log of 8. Now let's punch our calculator. What is the value of log of 7? Log of 7 will give us 0.8451 and log of 8 is going to give us 0.9031. So now let's apply it to the general equation. We'll have our x to be equal to 7 multiplied by 0.9031 minus 8 multiplied by 0.8451 all over 0.8451 minus 0.9031. So what will this give us? This will give us this multiplied by this. X will be equal to, that will give us 6.3217 minus, this will give us 6.7608 all over this 0.8451 minus this will give us a negative result because this is greater than this. So we'll have minus 0.058. So if we subtract these two values, this and this, we're going to have a negative value for the numerator, and that will be 0.4391 all over minus 0.058. So minus will clear minus, and what do we have remaining? We'll have our value for x to be equal to this divided by this, that will be equal to 7.571. So this is the value of x that satisfied the above given equation. If you like this class, I want you to kindly subscribe to this channel so as to get our subsequent videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues.